Hi guys and Happy New Year 2025. Yeah, it's been a long time since my last video. It's been a crazy month. My car, I took it to MFK, which is this inspection here in Switzerland. Didn't go through. I had to book a time for the garage, oil leak and lights were wrong. I had to wait this service for 1 month. They were so busy. Luckily, they just cleaned this bottom of the car. There was no leak. They adjust these lights and they took this to this MFK second time and it passed. So that's kind of a good news. Then we were in Slovenian, 1,800 kilometers. We had a rental car because, well, I have to say I don't trust this car so much at the moment because this automatic transmission is a little bit broken. Slovenian was great. What else? Yeah, Christmas, New Year. Hopefully I'm getting back to my projects. The next project is our teenager. He wants to look like a Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. I'm not so sure about that, but he just wants to have some more muscles. I'm 100% backing him up. At the same time, I think I have to do it with him, so that's fine. I'm also maybe getting a little bit better shape. The thing is, we have some stuff. For example, we have this. It's amazing what you can get for just a little bit over 200 francs. It was on sale. Actually, my wife ordered this for us. We can make about 10-15 different kind of things with this one. I like it. I like it a lot. Then we have this one. Hopefully this will help us to burn some calories. We are driving bikes outside quite much, but when it's too cold or it's raining, this is a very good option to get some sport. Then we have this. I ordered this online. That was pretty cheap set. I think it's about 65 kilos. I'm not sure. But for this we need some kind of bench that we can use it. And this bench I could also, of course, buy it from online, but I want to build it by myself. And I'm going to use kind of a scrap wood what I have left here laying around. I have here leftover piece, quite big piece of plywood. That should be pretty good material for that. I already started to make these feet and legs. Actually, I started these about a month ago. So here I am at the moment. How did I do this? Well, and to make this a little bit nicer, I will rip this corner away here, just to give a little bit of a shape to these feet. And I'm going to use this jig to do that. So, here is now 4 feet. I didn't glue these yet because I want to have here, if this leg part is coming, it's not this, that's just an example, but it's coming about here, but I want to make a slot here in the middle that this leg is going a little bit deeper. So it goes about here. That's pretty good. It's smooth enough. That's my idea about this. I will glue these all together. because I have to sand this just a little bit. Beautiful! Next, these legs. I decided that I will cut these pieces to the right length. Now it's for me a little bit easier to glue. This bench, I will make it that it's about between 40-45 centimeters high. This where I can put this weight, it's going to be about 85 centimeters high. I could also maybe later think about make it that if I will make it adjustable, that I can adjust this height. But so these legs I will attach with glue, and I will secure these with 2 screws. Simple as that. I'm pretty sure that it's going to be strong enough.